Welcome back to our channel. If you're ready to take control of your financial future and build lasting wealth, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll break down the essential steps to help beginners start their wealth building journey. Be sure to stick around until the end for some powerful tips that can change your financial life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Building wealth is a long-term journey that requires discipline, patience, and smart financial decisions. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to improve your financial standing, the key is to develop good money habits and follow a structured approach. In this guide, we'll break down the fundamental steps to building wealth for beginners. 1. Set clear financial goals. Wealth building starts with setting clear and achievable financial goals. Define what wealth means to you, whether it's financial freedom, early retirement, or owning multiple income-generating assets. Break down your goals into short-term, saving for an emergency fund, medium-term, buying a home, and long-term, retirement planning, objectives. 2. Create a budget and track expenses. A budget is the foundation of financial success. Track your income and expenses to understand where your money is going. Categorize your spending into necessities, housing, food, transportation, and non-essentials, entertainment, luxury items. Reduce unnecessary expenses and redirect those savings toward investments and debt repayment. 3. Build an emergency fund. An emergency fund acts as a financial safety net for unexpected expenses like medical bills, car repairs, or job loss. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a high-yield savings account. Having an emergency fund prevents you from going into debt during unforeseen circumstances. 4. Eliminate high-interest debt. Debt with high interest, such as credit cards and payday loans, can hinder wealth building. Prioritize paying off high-interest debt first using strategies like the snowball method, paying off the smallest debt first, or the avalanche method, paying off the highest interest rate debt first. Reducing debt increases your financial flexibility and allows you to invest more. 5. Increase your income streams. Relying on a single income source can be risky. Look for ways to increase your income, such as getting a side hustle, freelancing, investing in rental properties, or starting an online business. Diversifying your income streams accelerates your ability to build wealth and achieve financial independence. 6. Start investing early. Investing is one of the most effective ways to grow wealth over time. Consider investing in stocks, bonds, real estate, and index funds. The earlier you start, the more you can benefit from compound interest. If you're unsure where to begin, start with low-cost index funds and gradually diversify your portfolio. 7. Save for retirement. A key aspect of wealth building is planning for retirement. Contribute to retirement accounts like a 401k or an IRA, individual retirement account. Take advantage of employer matching contributions, if available, as this is essentially free money. The more you save now, the more financially secure you'll be in your later years. 8. Learn about taxes and optimize your savings. Understanding how taxes work can help you legally minimize your tax burden. Take advantage of tax-efficient accounts, deductions, and credits. Consider consulting a financial advisor to create a tax strategy that maximizes your income and investments. 9. Live below your means. Wealth isn't about how much you earn, it's about how much you keep. Avoid lifestyle inflation and unnecessary spending. Live frugally by making conscious spending decisions and prioritizing saving and investing over luxury purchases. This habit allows you to build wealth faster. 10. Protect your wealth with insurance. As you accumulate wealth, protecting it is crucial. Get adequate insurance coverage, including health, life, disability, and property insurance. Having the right insurance policies ensures that unforeseen events don't wipe out your financial progress. 11. Continuously educate yourself about finance. Financial literacy is a lifelong journey. Read books, attend financial seminars, follow reputable financial experts, and stay updated on economic trends. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to make informed financial decisions. 12. Surround yourself with financially savvy people. Your financial mindset is influenced by the people around you. Surround yourself with individuals who are financially responsible and have similar goals. Joining investment groups or seeking mentorship can provide valuable insights and motivation. 13. Be patient and stay consistent. Wealth building takes time. Avoid get-rich-quick schemes and focus on long-term financial stability. Stay consistent with your savings, investments, and financial discipline. Over time, small efforts compound into significant financial gains. Building wealth for beginners is about creating good financial habits, managing money wisely, and making informed investment decisions. By following these steps, setting financial goals, budgeting, investing, and continuously learning, you can achieve financial security and long-term wealth. The key is to start now and stay committed to the process. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more wealth building tips. Let us know in the comments which step you're focusing on first. Stay tuned for our next video, and remember, your financial freedom starts today.